welcome back. You're watching The Property Show. Next is an email by Shubhra Das. She writes, I'm going to buy a 2 BHK flat in Tara City project, which is located in Ramdara Road, Loni Kalbor, Loni Gaon, Pune Solapur Highway. In 31 lakhs, I'm working in Magarpatta. Is this a good decision? Is this a genuine property? In 31 lakhs, are there any other options? All right, Samir, your take on this project.
Yeah, so this project is a go-ahead from our side. The project is spread over 5 acres. So it's the largest project with only 5 towers, so density is very good. Phase coming up in 2 phases. Finance is available with SBI Bank. It's located on Ramdara Road, 1 kilometer of the Pune-Sholapur highway. So location is decent. It's 13 kilometers from Magarpatta city, 9 kilometers from the Farsungi SEZ. And Loni is a developing real estate market, offering properties at affordable prices and giving options to people who cannot afford in Hadapsar and Manjari micro markets. So it's an affordable micro market that has to be kept in mind, where the inventory overhang is very safe at 10 months. The weighted average price is 3,100, and the price appreciation has been about on a 10% annualized basis. There are 2 projects more that you can consider. One is Sarthak Niketan by Sarthak Housing. It's a low-rise building project, G plus 4 floors. It's under advanced stages of construction, located off the Pune-Sholapur highway. It's located 2 kilometers from the Loni railway station and 1 kilometer from the MIT College of Food Technology. Next is 4 Avenues by Icon Constructions. This is the 3350. Project is spread across 3.5 odd acres. It has amenities like a clubhouse, swimming pool, children area. For an affordable project, it's pretty good. Builder is a small-time builder in Pune, has delivered 4 successful projects. That's why we're recommending this also.
Shubhra, so you can go ahead with Tara City. We have 2 more options in Loni Kalbor for you, Sarthak Niketan by Sarthak Housing and 4 Avenues by Icon Constructions. All right, our next caller is Pardeep Verma. Hi Pardeep, what's your question?
Yeah, hi. Actually, I'm just looking to buy a property in Bhiwadi, and I'm just looking for 2 BHK. And my preference should be, the property should be before toll, which is present at Bhiwadi.
Okay.
And I just figured out 2 options. One is the Essentia and another is the Krish.
All right. So Bhiwadi, 30 lakhs something before the toll, and Essentia or Krish. 2 options.
Well, we would give a go-ahead on both the projects, as they are below the weighted average price of the market, which is around 3,000 rupees, 2,800 rupees a square foot. They are in line with that actually. 24 months is the inventory overhang of this micro market. Price appreciation has been reasonably good because the weighted average price of the market is still very low. The base is low, it's 14%. The Essentia by Lord's Homes, this is at 2,900 rupees. This is the latest edition of the township of 2 BHK, starting from 24 lakhs. This Essentia is by Star Realcon, is an integrated township bang on the Alwar bypass road. It has multiple projects running with luxury amenities and good internal infrastructure. The developer has also delivered 1 project called Crimson, where families are already living in. The second project that you had shortlisted, Krish Icon. Krish Group has a decent reputation in this region. They have delivered Krish Vatika on Alwar bypass road already. This project is under construction, supposed to be ready by 2016 and 17. It's quite close to the prominent manufacturing plants, which are approximately 1 kilometer from the Alwar toll gate. We've got 1 more recommendation by the top developer of that region, Surbhi by Ashiana Housing, trading between 2,700 and 2,900 rupees. This is a recent launch and is located in Sector 77 near Bhiwadi Sona Road. And this project will have in-house shopping complex and daily need shops as well, besides other amenities like swimming pool, gyms, children's play area, etc.
Okay, so Pradeep, go ahead with the Essentia by Lord's Homes and the Krish Icon by the Krish Group, both on the Alwar bypass road. Bhiwadi, however, has been witnessing a bit of a slowdown given the huge stockpile of projects coming up here, about 66 projects with units under supply of about 33,000. So that's going to play up on the price appreciation also. So you need to have a long-term view for Bhiwadi. Next, Sanjeev Kumar has a question for us. Hi Sanjeev, how can we help you?
Yeah, good evening, Vasundhara. First of all, thanks for taking up my query. Now, before asking the query, I'll give you a bit of background. Me and my wife have 2 flats in Gurgaon. One is in Sector 56.
Okay.
It's a 3-bedroom flat which I had bought about 8 to 9 years back.
All right.
And the second one is at Sector 37C by Piedmont. The name of the society is Taxila Heights.
Okay.
90% payment has been made for that, and the builder says that the flat will be handed over in the next 3 to 4 months. So I want to sell these 2 flats and buy one bigger flat, which I have shortlisted in Bhavna CGHS. It is in Sector 56, Gurgaon. My query is as follows. Number 1, what price should I expect from the sale of the previous 2 flats which I mentioned? And the secondly, what price should I pay for the Bhavna CGHS? And in your view, if not Bhavna, then what else in Gurgaon? My requirement is only to have a flat afterwards a couple of years.
We would recommend him to do the needful. We would recommend him to sell Takshila Heights when the possession is coming through. There's not going to be too much livability over there at this point in time, and the appreciation has been about 10% on an annualized basis for him. So he's in the money, so he should sell, and he's buying a property for end use. The second project is 7 years old, so he should get rid of that also. That project is trading anywhere between 7,500 and 8,200 rupees a square foot. And the Takshila Heights project that you can sell at today, the price is about 4,500 rupees a square foot on the resale market. Then the project that you're looking at is on the Golf Course Road. Because it's a society flat, it's very cheap, so you can go ahead with it. It's 2.2 crores for a 3,200 square feet flat. But because it's on a 1 acre single unit G+12, you will not get too many amenities over there, which are available in other complexes which are much larger. So you could consider something like that as well, which we've got one property shortlisted for you in the luxury segment at 10,500 rupees a square foot is the weighted average price of this market on Sona Road, where because your requirement was also that you wanted a 4-bedroom minimum. So we were restricted on that front, and we've got Whipple Greens, which is at 10,500 available from the resale market. This project got ready in 2008. It's a 6-year-old project, but a fine project with livable society, all the amenities possible. Annual appreciation of this market of Sona Road has been about 15% on an annualized basis, and inventory overhang is 0 because of ready projects.
All right, so that's the analysis on your query, Sanjeev. That's a wrap for today now. To get your questions solved by our experts on the show, write to us at property@ndtv.com and tune into our radio show every Saturday at 2 p.m. on Radio City. And for the hottest news in real estate, log on to our website, ndtv.com/property, or follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Sameer, thank you for your time.
Pleasure.
Until we meet again, goodbye.